हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मन की बात बाइकर के साथ में आपका स्वागत है। आज हमारे गेस्ट हैं मिस्टर देव। तो देव, अपने बारे में कुछ बाइकर्स को कुछ बताइए।
My name is Dev. I am Mr. Brahman on Instagram. So I've been riding for the past 3 years. I've been owning two Himalayas, on the BS4 Himalaya base, and currently I'm owning BS6 Himalayan. I have not done an all-India trip and all. I have just done short trips, around 900 kilometers maximum, and but it still was a good experience for me. So basically, I'm from Kerala, and native is Kollam.
देव, आप बताइए कि क्या कहते हैं, रॉयल एनफील्ड के एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा है आपका? क्या आप सोचते हैं रॉयल एनफील्ड के बारे में? कैसी बाइक है?
So basically, Royal Enfield Himalayan is which I want the bike. Royal Enfield Himalayan I want the bike. So it's like it's between everything. You can ride it everywhere for on road. You don't have to worry about any specific terrain. That's the best thing I like about the Himalayan. And I am okay with driving it on the off road. Yeah, on road it's okay. Like it can go anywhere. Literally can go anywhere. And yeah, basically Royal Enfield. Yeah, it's comparatively less expensive than the other competitive bike like the KTM Duke, yeah, BMW, in both service department as well as the available department. Many of my friends are this like Duke 390 and all, and basically it's kinda inexpensive when compared to that, but it's kinda expensive on the experts comparing that set, but still it has got adequate power and all, so it can compensate with the thing. And I love this. I love taking this bike anywhere because like it's kinda on a like this not it's kind of heavy bike, but still you can manage it on the off road as well as on road terrains. So it's good. I love that bike. That's why. And for the price range, there is no bike other than this one.
तो आप थोड़ा बताना चाहेंगे इसके जो डिज़ाइन है, आपको कैसा लगता है? लाइक ओवरऑल रॉयल एनफील्ड का जो डिज़ाइन है हिमालयन का, उसके उसका आपको कैसा लगा है?
Basically, I have. Basically, many people ask me like, first of all, they don't know like this is like Royal Enfield from like many people like our age group does know that, but many people know like above age 50, 40, they are like, what bike is this? And like they come closer and they see that Royal Enfield badge, like, oh, it's Royal Enfield. Like, yeah, it's Royal Enfield. Like that, their classic form is the John headlight and that big tank and all. It's not over there. So it's like it's a different way of design from Royal Enfield, and I think that they have done it very well. Like in every department, like the from the tank guard, from the tank guard to the beak, the front beak, and the front wheels, kind of superb. The 21-inch wheel is good, and the tank and the well-cushioned seat is comfortable for the long rides. Like I have done 900 and 950 kilometers in just 2 days. I didn't get any back pain or anything like that just because I was riding on this motorcycle. But my friend was there in like some other bikes. I don't want to mention that name, like the bike, but it was kind of uncomfortable for them for going to like 900 kilometers in just 2 days. Kind of uncomfortable for them, but still I managed to like crack it in just like easy way. So the basically design department, it's a plus for Royal Enfield. Like they are still continuing with the same design. They have just like aesthetically they have just updated some things over there here and there, but basically they're just maintaining the same design of the past 5 years because it's superb.
ओके, तो थोड़ा आप जैसे ये चला रहे हैं रॉयल एनफील्ड हिमालयन BS6, तो आप बताएंगे इसका माइलेज कैसा है इन अ सिटी, और जैसा आपने यूज़ किया है थोड़ा बहुत माइलेज?
Actually, I have done a mileage test on my Himalayan and I have uploaded that in my YouTube channel. And basically, I'm getting around 30 to 32 kilometers in city.
Okay.
I can vary depending upon people because Royal Enfield bike is that Royal Enfield bike. It's a personal bike. If you are giving the other person, they like the gear thing, the accelerator thing can change up person to person. So for me personally, I'm getting around 30 kilometers in city. For long rides, around 35, 36 maximum. That's it.
ओके, तो इस बाइक में कलर कौन सा एक जो आ रहा है, कोई न्यू कलर आ रहा है या कौन सा कलर अच्छा है इस हिमालयन में, बताएंगे?
Now there are around 6 colors available for the Himalayan. Like there are red, lake blue, gray, and it's white, and that black. I am in love with that black. Okay, the new black is like sexy color, but it's kind of their price set because the price itself costs around 40,000 extra, and there is a pine green for the military purpose like that, and there is some pine green color. I like that black color. It's superb. It's superb color. I love that.
ओके, आप गियर्स भी यूज कर रहे होंगे, तो आप बताएंगे कौन से ब्रांड के गियर आप यूज कर रहे हैं अपने पास अभी?
Acha, now I am just currently using Royal Enfield jacket and Royal Enfield gloves. As
हेलमेट भी बताएंगे हमें, आप कौन सा यूज कर रहे हैं, किस ब्रांड का यूज कर रहे हैं अभी?
currently I am using LS2 helmet, which is like some 8,500 rupees, and it's good. Just like under 1.3 kg, you know, like the size matters and the weight matters, and it's good for the price. That's it.
इसमें कोई ब्लूटूथ फैसिलिटी भी है आपके LS2 हेलमेट में?
Uh, it is you can provide that with Bluetooth, and like there is space for the Bluetooth and speaker inside the helmet, or Bluetooth outside and speaker inside. But I have nothing like that because it's kind of uncomfortable for me. You know, like if I have a phone, like, then I will be like call and write. So it's basically uncomfortable for me.
ओके,
And I had Bluetooth settings in my past, like the other helmet, which was on like XR helmet, and it was uncomfortable for me for a long ride. I was kind of vibrating over here, so my ears were paining, so I just removed it from that.
ओके। मैनी क्वेरी कम्स अबाउट दैट कि LS2 और MT में कौन सा हेलमेट थोड़ा बेस्ट है, जो कंपैरिजन थोड़ा चलता रहता है, तो कुछ आइडिया बताएंगे आप अकॉर्डिंग टू यू?
I'm not going to be biased over one company or other,
Okay.
because like both of them have their own thing. You know, like MT is providing their basic carbon helmet, you know, like carbon at 19K. That is like quite impressive because you know, like Aero and all those companies are providing the same carbon fiber helmet at around 56K, 58K, but these guys are providing 19K. I have not found any LS2 helmet that carbon fiber helmets. So, but for the price of 8K to 7K or 8K to 9K, I prefer LS2 over MT. And for the price around 15 to 16K, I can prefer the carbon fiber helmet from the MT rather than the LS2 things. But currently for the price of 8K to 7K, I prefer LS2 over MT and over any other brands.
ओके, तो आर LS2 हेलमेट स्नेल अप्रूव्ड?
No, not mine, but there are many other, but it's kind of pricey. It's kind of over 20K. Not mine. Mine is not Singapore. Mine is just the basic things. Yeah.
ओके, सो अभी आपने कुछ अपनी बाइक में कोई मॉडिफिकेशन किए हैं जस्ट, तो थोड़ा बहुत हमें बताइए।
For the purpose of long rides and all, I have provided my the basic knuckle guard from the Royal Enfield. It's kind of providing safety for the knuckles of and I have fitted that HJC headlamps, the fog lamps.
Okay.
I have fitted that saddle stay for long ride, and I am planning to buy the panniers in coming months so that I can go for an all-India ride.
तो आपको लगता है कि क्या कहते हैं मॉडिफिकेशन जब भी हम मोटरसाइकिल में कराते हैं, लाइक रॉयल एनफील्ड हो गया, कोई भी हो गया, तो कौन कौन से ब्रांड्स के जो अवेलेबिलिटी है अभी मार्केट में, कि कुछ पार्ट्स आपको लगता है कि कुछ अच्छे ब्रांड्स प्रोवाइड करा रहे हैं मॉडिफिकेशन पार्ट्स?
Okay. This is a regular question for me. Like I get many questions like this from Instagram and all. Like I basically use Zana mobile holder. Just a mobile holder. I have to buy the mobile holder from. I'm going with the Bobo mobile holder. That stand is from Zana mobile stand, and I am using Motocan for the side. You know, like the piston cover thing. I am using Motocan for the Himalayan thing, and I am planning to purchase our foot peg is kind of rubbery thing, so if you get mud and all, it's kind of slippery for long rides and all. While off-roading and all, I have slipped many times because it's rubbery thing and the mud gets stuck in between. So I am planning to change the that foot peg to the Motocan thing, which is kind of grippy thing. And A4 Motor Designs, they are providing a wonderful set of like crash guards. It's kind of superb for like, it's way better than Zana. I am not judging Zana because I had used Zana. I had used this one, like the Royal Enfield stock one, and I am using A4 Motor Designs. A4 is kind of far better job, and Royal Enfield saddle is far better. And for the price of 3K, you're getting saddle shape plus that brake light extender, plus some other like indicate extender. These are very good for like the price of 3K, because even other companies are providing the same price, but they're not getting any other things like this. So basically, these all are the changes I did to my Himalayan, and in future I am planning to buy this panniers and a tank bag. Tank bag is good because you can place your GoPros for charging and all, and you can place your mobile, and you can place your like wallet and all those. I'm going to buy the tank bag. That's it.
फ्यूचरिस्ट मोटरसाइकिल कुछ बताएंगे आप कौन सा प्लान कर रहे हैं फ्यूचर मोटरसाइकिल के लिए?
Achha. Kind of difficult side because like okay. Oh, comparing, like I am looking for a motorcycle which can take me anywhere. So I am not particularly into the super bikes and all. I love the sound, but I am not into the super bikes thing because you can't literally ride anywhere in Kerala, particularly in Kerala, because the roads are kind of shit over here. So I will be going with adventure bikes only. Basically, I'm interested in Africa Twin and Tiger 900 Rally Pro as of now. But after 4 to 5 years, the train changes and new bicycles will come, motorcycles will come. But still, currently, if you ask me, I am more interested in Africa Twin as well as this 900 Rally Pro. They are like bikes, and even the Yamaha thing, but it's not available in India. So sorry for that.
ओके 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 देव, तो थोड़ा कोई एक मैसेज जो हम नॉर्मली सभी से पूछते हैं बाइकर से कि वो बाइकिंग कम्युनिटी के लिए कुछ कोई मैसेज देना चाहेंगे, तो प्लीज शेयर द मैसेज.
So don't be rash on road. That's the only thing I have. Because like there are many people who try to be famous in like Insta. They are doing this GoPro things with this nearly close calls and all just to get more views and all. It's kind of on a bad side because like just for 3 seconds pressure you're gonna risk the whole life. So it's not worth it. You can get I can get pure content, I can get followers, you can get whatever you want, but don't risk your life while riding. Ride properly, ride safe, ride your gears, ride with gears, and explore. Travel is the best. Travel is the best lesson to the life.
ओके 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 देव, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग अस देव. बहुत अच्छा लगा आपके साथ बात करके, आपके एक्सपीरियंस को शेयर कराया कर व्यूअर्स को. ओके, तो होप वी है जल्दी हम एक मीटअप करेंगे, मे बी फिजिकल हो सके तो. ओके तो ग्रेट, तो जल्दी ही मिलते हैं देव. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग अस. ओके, स्टे सेफ, स्टे एम होम दिस टाइम. ओके, हैव अ ग्रेट डे. बाय बाय.
थैंक यू.